What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. These resources also include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and softwares. Rather than saving files on a proprietary hardware or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database with access to internet. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and businesses for a number of reasons, including cost savings, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance, and security. Hey, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, share this video, and thank you for watching. Cloud will power the way companies adapt to the new unstable normal. What does that mean? Due to the pandemic, there have been changes, around how businesses operate. So cloud computing is what most companies are actually adopting, to improve systems. And the shift to digitalization is set to remain robust even after the pandemic, keeping companies dependent on cloud-based services to drive that change. Strengthening the demand, the work-from-home trend is expected to remain that might evolve into a hybrid model in the post-pandemic period. Some major examples of cloud computing you're probably using are Google Drive, Apple iCloud, Dropbox, Slack. The major cloud computing providers, at the moment are Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, IBM Cloud, and Salesforce. There are a bunch of other, smaller cloud services providers, out there. But these are the major ones at the moment. And why invest in cloud computing? I would say the demand for cloud computing technology increased during COVID-19 outbreak, making more companies move data to cloud. Cloud services providers will experience continuous growth that will revolutionize how we store and get data. In a study by Markets and Markets Research Private Limited in 2020, the global cloud computing industry was estimated at $371.4 billion US. And by 2025, the value will grow to about $832.1 billion with a compound annual growth rate, of about 17.5%. That's awesome. Dang. If you've been following this channel, you will notice or you know that I've shared some cloud, I've posted some cloud computing videos. There was a previous video I actually posted which is called The Future of Cloud Computing in the Next 5 Years. You can find the link in the description below. Cloud computing has the ability to give customers high quality, quick loading networks and applications which will improve network and storage quality. This high standard of quality will also contribute to increased business quality over time. Types of cloud computing. 1. Public cloud. The public cloud is generally thought, simply as the cloud. And this type of cloud is, available to the public and it's provided by a third party. Number 2. Private cloud. A private cloud is owned and operated by one organization. An organization like a corporation or university can create its own infrastructure for a private cloud, either on-site or at a remote location. Private clouds are not accessible to the public. This can also be called a corporate cloud, internal cloud, or on-premise cloud. 3. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud actually uses, both a private cloud and a public cloud for its computing needs. Generally, an organization will use its private cloud for critical functions while using a public cloud when its computing needs are in higher demand. Types of cloud services. 1. Software as a service, also known as SaaS. SaaS allows users to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the internet. Examples of SaaS applications are Salesforce, Skype, Office 365, and Dynamics Customer Relationship Management Online, which is CRM. Number 2, Infrastructure as a Service, also known as IaaS, is simply a hosting model that controls management of business models. Examples of IaaS applications are virtual machine and VNet. 3. Platform as a Service, also known as PaaS. PaaS is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud. Examples of PaaS applications are storage, search, SQL, and app service. Benefits of cloud computing. 1. Business agility. That is, ability to adapt to change to market, environmental, and cost-effective ways. And 2 is scalability. 3. Elasticity. 4. Fault tolerance. 5. Disaster recovery. 6. High availability. 7. Cost-effective. And 8 is access to automatic updates. Cloud computing is very beneficial to many enterprises because it lowers costs and allows them to focus on competence instead of on matters of IT and infrastructure. Nevertheless, cloud computing has proven to have some limitations and disadvantages, especially for smaller businesses, or in regards to, security and downtime. Another crop of emerging cloud technologies and services relates to artificial intelligence, known as AI and machine learning. These technologies provide a range of cloud-based ready-to-use AI and machine learning services for client needs. Amazon Machine Learning, Amazon Lex, Amazon Poly, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning, Google Cloud Machine Learning Engine, and Google Cloud Speech API are examples of these services. In conclusion, cloud computing users are able to access software and applications from wherever they need, while it is hosted by an outside party in the cloud. Integration of cloud computing with AI, big data, and IoT will help businesses touch new levels of success in innovation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos on cloud computing. Thank you for watching. Interested in your career growth in data science? Visit datacatchup.com. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.